Alright, what's up, guys? We got another Knicks Snacks unboxing. Alright, we got a couple of Donruss value packs. Donruss baseball value packs. Just one sec. Alright, I'm a big fan of 2023 Donruss baseball so far. I've only opened up a couple of megas and a blaster. Definitely can't wait to get some hobby. But anytime I find some at Target, I'll pick them up now. These are only like $6, $7 a pack. I think $6.99 a pack. Alright, so there's 30 cards. 30 card value pack. You could hit a lot of different stuff. 101s and pretty much all the parallels, it looks like. The ultra rare inserts. Yeah, all the good stuff that you could find in hobby. I think most of that stuff you could find in retail as well. And you get 3 exclusive hollow orange parallels in there. Alright, guys, here we go. Enjoy. So 30 cards in a pack. Let's see how these value packs are. Yeah, for $7, 30 cards. Even the megas at like 45 are a really good deal. And you get 1 autograph per box in the megas. Big fan of that. Right, here we go. So no active players, but amazing checklist. A lot of legends, a lot of hot prospects. Alright, Dontrell Willis, Mick Abel, they got the 1990 design. Ray Lankford. Ichiro 1990. Mariano. Goose Gossage. Galarraga, Al Simmons, Johnny Bench, J.R. Ritchie, Jackson Merrill, Carlos Beltran, Don Sutton, Zach Neto, Zach Veen. Alright, so behind Marcelo Mayer, yeah, the parallels are going to be backwards there. Alright, rated prospect, Curtis Mead. Diamond Kings, Mike Piazza. We got Termarr Johnson, 1990. All right, Drew Jones with the rated prospect. That's nice. Yuri Perez, rated prospect. Kirby Puckett, Diamond King. Alex Ramirez, good prospect for the Mets. Brennan Davis, rated prospect for the Cubs. All right, see what we got here. Alright, so we got a Trevor Hoffman to 2023. That's the red foil. We got Jason Dominguez. That's that light blue or Carolina blue foil. Alright, here are the exclusive hollow orange. We got Lou Brock. Termarr Johnson, 1990. Diego Cartaya, rated prospect for the Cubs. And Pete Rose, very cool. This looks like... Yeah, what's that design again? Yeah, the other, like the Megas had like the shimmers, the silver shimmer, it looked like. These are, kind of look like the Mojo design a little. I forgot what they call them in Panini. Building blocks, something like that. That's cool. Mr. 3000, Pete Rose. Beautiful card. And the Jason Dominguez, he's the man on the box, on the wrappers. Switch hitting phenom. And a Trevor Hoffman. Next to Mariano Rivera, the second best reliever of all time. Second most saves. And that Drew Jones rated prospect. Alright. One more pack to go. See if we can get lucky here. Anytime there's 101s on the checklist and autographs and stuff, you never know. Alright, Carlton Fisk. But even for, you know, $6.99 for 30 cards, just great deal regardless. Willie Stargell, Sean Green, Buster Posey, John Smoltz, Bobby Abreu, Ken Griffey Jr., Tyler Black, Jacob Melton, Noah Schultz, Babe Herman, Bob Feller, Henry Davis. Such a cool checklist going from old to young, young to old. Brooks Lee, Mason Wynn. All right, Kevin Parada for the Mets. That's an Independence Day parallel. These are normally like, what are they? You get like 3 or 4 per hobby box. That's how they used to be. All right, Kyle Harrison, rated prospect. Quinn Priester. George Brett, Diamond Kings. Mark McGwire, 1990. Noelvi Marte, rated prospect. And Austin Wells. Larry Walker, Diamond Kings. All right, see what we got here. All right, so Noelvi Marte. It's like a Carolina blue foil, rated prospect. Pete Rose with the orange. Willie McCovey orange. All right, George Valera, that's our 3rd orange. Nolan Ryan Diamond Kings and Brooks Robinson Dominators. That looks great too. That really pops. Alright guys, let's recap what we got out of 2 $7 value packs. Alright, so Drew Jones, rated prospect. One of the bigger names. Trevor Hoppin to 2023 red foil. Jason Dominguez, Carolina blue. And then we got Brooks Robinson Dominators and Pete Rose Mr. 3000. I have these in like the shimmery versions, so that'll go nice with them. Parada, he was the number 11 pick for the New York Mets last year, Independence Day. And here's our other value pack exclusive oranges. And we hit another blue or Carolina blue Noelvi Marte. So here's the oranges. Diego Cartaya, Termar Johnson, Lou Brock, George Valera, Willie McCovey, and Pete Rose. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that. Yeah, the mega boxes I really enjoy. I'm going to see if they got any more in Target tomorrow morning. And I'll even pick up more of these value packs. You know, maybe we'll get lucky. Alright guys, yeah, plenty of box openings I've been uploading. So you guys, you know, before you go to Target or Walmart and pick up some retail or even like some hobby boxes I've been doing, but mostly retail. You know, check out the videos, you know, before you buy it, just so you know what it looks like and the potential of what you could get before you spend $7 to $60, you know, on a box or a pack at Target or Walmart. Thank you, guys. Take it easy, everybody.